So, hey guys, this is Kenny. So, yeah, I'm in a different location now because I kind of moved. Yeah, and been a busy couple of weeks. So, yeah, I think I kind of missed a week because I've been moving around a lot that week, like putting stuff in storage and stuff, and it's ridiculous. So right now I'm just at my cousin's place for a bit, and yeah, and I'm just extremely tired right now, but whatever. And I have a headache too. That does not make it any better. Oh. Anyways, I got my license. Yay. I can freely drive. In case you guys don't know, I do have a car too. So I can actually drive anywhere I want. Ish. So yeah, that's fun. And nothing interesting happened. Well, Monday I went to Kalahari. It's like a water park, and oh, hold on. Ew, I look so ratchet though. Anyways, like I was saying, it's a water park and it's pretty fun. It's in Ohio, and from where I'm at, it takes like 2 hours just to get there. So that's fun. Oh, I mean, the place is fun, but it was also aggravating coming back too because a lot of things happen. But I don't care, man. That's fine. That. But yeah, so tired. So right now I'm just trying to catch up on all the shows and homeworks and stuff and movies and whatever. Wow, my phone's being tilted. Hold on. Okay, whatever. So yeah, I just feel like making a video right now because I'm really bored and it's Wednesday, so why not? I actually might have to switch my days again, and I probably just gonna have to do it Sunday. So starting next week, I'm probably might skip Wednesday and go straight on to Sunday. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. Comment below and subscribe. So yeah, peace.